Yeah. Oh, wait a sec. Just let me. I gotta put on my gloves. Can you hold on this? Thanks, Max. Stop that. Let me go ahead so I'll get you guys on the video. Hold on.
Okay. I think we'll take
Huh? Max, when you come to a fork in the road, you take it.
Yeah. Alright.
Max, do you want to stand in front of it? Max, do you want to stand in front of it so I can take a video of you? You can go that way. Or this way. Alright, go stand in front of it so I can get you on the video. And Mom can take a photo of you. Max for scale. That's good. You fell through the ice? It's not much water though. Oh, I see. Is that what Mom's taking a picture of? Ooh, I see. Bloop, 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 bloop. Bloop, 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 bloop. What is it, Max? Can you explain to the viewers?
bloop, 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 bloop.
Yeah, what's that? Is it ice? Bloop, bloop, bloop.
It's the flow of the air under the water, under the ice. Because the water is not as high as the ice, so it's dribbling the way, I think.
Okay.
I'm not the scientist. None of us are.
You're not the scientist?
I'm not the scientist.
We brought you along just because you were the scientist.
I'm not a scientist.
Yours?
You guys probably know what science is. It's more science than me. I just know how to throw ice into the water. Or snow into the water. That's all I know how to do.
Okay.
I fell right there.
You fell?
My foot.
Oh, you okay now?
I didn't hit the water.
Okay.
It's just a big.
What's she taking a picture of?
Right there.
Okay.
Those are fine.
Are we on top of the water right now?
Yeah, we'll do this.
What? Is that what that is? Is that ice under there, Max?
Yeah, what do you think it is?
I don't know what it is. Max Borges, aren't you the science guy?
No.
Oh.
Don't mind the Russian spy.
Don't lie, the Russian spy. Okay, I'm going to go climb back up.
Start your drone?
Yep.
Okay, do you have everything?
Yep.
Right. Wait, I just put my lens cap on.
Do you guys want to go first and I'll videotape you? Or do you want me to go first and you videotape me? No. Okay.
missed it. Wait, it's enough.
What's enough?
I don't want to be in anymore.
You don't want to be in anymore.
No. You want water?
Yeah, a bit. You know if I have to use the bathroom.
It's okay, it won't take us long. 20 minutes, and then 5 minutes, and we'll be home. Okay?